welcome back to Pipetover's YouTube channel where curiosity meets the core. Today we are going to discuss about a program which is titled as BMI calculator using PyWebIO. So let's get started. Why PyWebIO? Firstly, we have to import from PyWebIO.import star. This imports all the functions from the PyWebIO input and module which provides utilizers for taking user inputs in the web interface. Then we have from PyWebIO.output import start. This imports all the functions from the PyWebIO.output, the module which provides utilizers for displaying outputs in the web interface. Then we have class calculation. This defines a class named calculation. This used to encapsulate the BMI calculating method. Then we have DEF BMI calculator with the values of height and mass. This defines a method of BMI calculator with calculation class. This method takes two parameters, height and mass, which represents the person's height in meters and weight in kilograms respectively. Then we have for T1, T2 in. So this begins a loop that iterates over the list of tuples. Each tuple contains a BMI threshold and corresponding weight classification. Then we have given 16 several underweight. The tuple where 16 is the BMI threshold and severely underweight is a classification. Then we have 18.5, which is underweight, a tuple where 18.5 is the BMI threshold and is underweight is the classification. And then we have 25 as normal, 30 as overweight, and 35 as moderately obese. Then we have float, INF, severely obese. This tuple where float represents the infinite value and severely obese in the classification and covers all the BMI greater than 35. Then we have the closed braces. The close is the list of tuple used for BMI calculation. Then we have a if loop. If BMI is less than or equal to T1, the condition that checks if the calculated BMI is less than or equal to the current threshold, which is T1. We have put text your BMI is the BMI which was calculated and the person is T2. If the condition is met, this line outputs the BMI value corresponding weight classification using put test function which displays the text in the web interface. Then let's move on to the classification. So then then we have the break. This exits the loops once the correct BMI classification is found. Then we have class calculation. The calculation class is redefined the previous version without self parameter is not used. Then we have DEF BMI calculator, self, height, mass. This defines a BMI calculator method with the self parameter, allowing it to be used in an instance method with the calculator class. This method calculates the BMI based on provided height and mass. Then we have BMI is equal to mass divided by height into height. This calculates the BMI using the formula. Then we have for T1, T2 open braces. This begins the loops that iterates over the same list of tuples as before, each containing a BMI threshold and corresponding classification. Then we have if BMI is less than or equal to T1, this checks if the calculated BMI is less than or equal to the current method of T1. Then we have put text your BMI is BMI and a person is T2. This outputs the calculated BMI and corresponding classification in the web interface using the put text function. Then we have a break statement. This exits the loop after finding the correct classification. This prompts the user to input the height in meters, input the expected to be in floating point number. Then we have mass is equal to input, enter weight in kg. So this prompts the input their weight in kilograms. Then we have obj is equal to calculation. This creates an instant obj of the calculation class. Then lastly we have obj.bmi calculator height, mass. This calls the BMI calculator method for calculation class using the object instance, passing the user's height and weight as arguments. This triggers the BMI calculation and classification process. So let's see the output of this program. So as usual, command prompt python main.py. So it has taken to a web page where we are using PyWeb.io application. We are enter the height in meters. So let's say 1.7. Then we have entered the weight in kgs. Let's give it 74. So your BMI is 25 and the person is overweight. So you can try different combinations. Thank you so much for watching. If you have learned something from this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.